And we have a little small place we can see the sun.
Cool.
Wash my hands off. Wash my hands off.
Do you want to give her a kiss? Give you such a big kiss?
She's like,
okay, that's enough. Enough. Let her go, please. Let her splash now, Robert. Robert, thank you. Hey. Hey, you two. You having fun in there? Haley, Robert.
Yeah?
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, can I? There's a small place.
No, you're still on video.
Robert, there's a sun.
That's camera. No, it's just the camera. See what? We're watching everybody go. It's live.
Can I see?
No, not yet. I'll be happy to show you.
A picture.
No, it's not a picture. It's like a video. Hey, Robert, I'll be happy to show you after. Go play with Haley and say hi, bye.
It's online.
It's a video.
Wow.
It's Canadian home video. Woo! You go splashy, splashy, splashy.
I don't think you should put the camera too close, or else it'll be like.
I know. Well, she's doing pretty good so far. Oh, splash. Are you getting wet? Getting wet. Oh! Warm water. You get. Oh my goodness! She says this tastes good.
This is the relaxation spot with the wheelbarrow.
Alexandria, hi. Hi.
And this is the only entrance.
Hi.
Robert. This is the only entrance. This you have to have shade, so that's like that. This
Hi.
is our entrance. Mommy,
Yeah?
I'm asking, can we have a snack?
Pardon me?
Yeah?
You want a snack? What do you say?
May I please have a snack?
Say,
Please and thank you.
please.
That's how I say.
Say bye.